Hello everyone, this is Abhilas and I am so excited to welcome you to our Digital Giant family. Today we are going to take a look at one of the most luxurious apartments in Kengeri, Casagrand Aquene. Imagine living in a self-sustainable township with a state-of-the-art amenities that provide an unparalleled living experience. Casagrand Aquene offers just that with 333 meticulously designed apartments spread across 3.77 acres in Kengeri. Located in close proximity to prominent landmarks, schools, colleges and hospitals, these 100% Vastu compliant homes are designed with zero wastage of space in basement, ground floor and 8th floor building structure. But what sets Casagrand Aquene apart is its exclusive kids-centric design that offers 60 plus amenities including 40 exclusively for kids. Starting from just 1.9 km from Kengeri bus stand, 3 km from Kengeri railway station and 2 km from Kengeri metro. Casagrand Aquene is also conveniently located near prominent hospitals like BHK Hospital, Rajeshwari Hospital and BGS Hospital. But let's talk about what makes Casagrand Aquene truly special. Step out into the outdoor area and enjoy an amazing podium view with an amphitheater, kids play area, skating area, outdoor gym, outdoor multipurpose game court, cricket practice net and a spacious tree house. As you step into the building, you will be greeted by the most attractive entrance lobby and reception. Take a walk around the clubhouse and multipurpose hall, where you can play indoor games and let your kids play in their designated play areas. But that's not all. Casagrand Aquene also boasts the latest PS game zone, a grand AV theatre and a rooftop infinity swimming pool that also includes a kids pool, interactive floor games, outdoor hobby zone, rock climbing wall, cricket practice net, multipurpose courts and many more amenities that will leave you feeling pampered. So, if you are looking for a luxurious living experience in Bangalore, look no further than Casagrand Aquene. Come, be a part of our community and elevate your lifestyle like never before. Hope you gather a lot of information about Casagrand Aquene in this video. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video and never forget to follow our Digital Giant family. Thank you.